Using the Carafe pour-over coffee maker is quick and easy, because brewing the perfect cup of coffee doesn't have to be complicated. Begin by placing the filter into the mouth of the decanter. Add 1 level scoop of medium coarse ground coffee to the filter. Shake gently to level the grounds. The coffee to water ratio is 1 scoop of grounds to a half cup of water, but you can adjust to your taste. Starting in the middle, pour some hot water over the grounds in a slow spiral motion, just enough to saturate the grounds. Wait 30 to 45 seconds. Pour the remaining hot water over the grounds, this time starting at the outer rim and moving inward. If the water reaches the top of the filter, allow it to settle to halfway before continuing to pour. When you are finished, remove the filter and discard the used coffee grounds. To clean, remove the wooden sleeve and tie. Then wipe them with a wet cloth. Hand wash the glass decanter, measuring scoop, and filter with hot soapy water. Or just place them in the dishwasher, ensuring the plastic scoop is always on the top rack. Check that the wooden sleeve is completely dry before placing it back on the decanter. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just starting out, the Carafe pour-over coffee maker is the perfect brewing tool.